Today I am going to present the A241 SCCVK 2013 Human-Computer Interactions Individual Assignment, and the case study has been chosen is a CGMA development case study, a virtual classroom platform. CGMA, Computer Graphic Master Academy, a virtual education platform specializing in the games, movie, and also the animation industries. It collaborates with industrial experts to deliver the top-tier learning. To improve the scalability, user engagement, and management issues, the CGMA updates its platform, and the key upgrades include the integrating Discord for communications, streamlining for the Zoom for video conferencing, and also the implementing initiative design and also the efficient cost management. We use the UX design process to the continuous part. In the step 1, understanding problem, the research and user feedback were used to identify requirements and also understanding the user context. For the strengths are the provides foundational knowledge about the user pain points and also accessible for the cost effective for most of the projects. But the winners are the may lack deep if the user fail to articulate the implicit needs and relies heavily on the accuracy of the self-report data. The alternative technique is the ethnography studies, where it can be more effective because by observing the user in their natural environment, designers can uncover the unspoken behaviors and contextual the challenge that may not emerge throughout the surveys or interview. This technique is time-intensive and resource-heavy, even making it less feasible for the time-sensitive or budget-constrained projects. Step 2. Define the problem. Interview, survey, and observation conduct to identify the pain points and user persona were relevant to meet the user needs and goals. Strengths are to help focus the problem definitions based on the direct user input. Personas provide tangible representations of the user architects, but the winners can lead to biased results if the sample size is small or unrepresentative, and the observations might miss broader patterns across the user segment. Alternative technique is affinity diagramming. It is a clustering qualitative data into teams can help prioritize the problems and revise the patterns across a wider range of the feedback. For the trade-off, it requires a collaborative effort and time, and especially with the large data sets. Step 3. Ideation. The brainstorming and sketching were used to generate the design concepts, encourage a creative thinking and collaborations. Quick and flexible for generating multiple ideas are the strengths. The winners may lack structure, leading to unfeasible or irrelevant ideas, and relies on the team's creativity. Design thinking workshops can be the alternative technique, and why it could be more effective because it involves the multidisciplinary stakeholders, fosters innovation, and also ensures the alignment between the teams from the start, and the trade-off requires careful planning and also the coordinations, which can be challenging in tight schedules. Step 4. Prototyping. High and low fidelity prototypes, including the paper prototypes, were developed to test the design concepts. The strengths are the low fidelity prototypes allows the quick iteration and also cost effective. High fidelity prototypes provides a realistic user interactions for a more deep feedback, but proper prototypes may fail to convert the complex interactions effectively. For the alternative technique will be the wizard of ONG prototyping, why it could be more effective because this approach simulates functionalities, enabling user testing of the advanced interactions without fully building the system. But users might perceive the staged nature of the interaction, potentially influencing the authenticity of their feedback. Step 5. Evaluations. Usability testing and user feedback were conducted to refine the prototypes. Usability testing directly measures the user performance and also specifications, and it provides actionable insights for improvements, but it limited to the scenario tested and it might miss the edge cases. Alternative technique will be the A or B testing, where it could be more effective because comparing two design variations quantitatively can provide more visual insights into performance metrics and like the task completion rates and also the engagement levels. The trade-off requires a larger user base and also access to the analytic tools, which might not be available in the EA testing. Step iteration. Design refinements made based on the usability testing and also the user feedback. Incorporates real user feedback to improve the design. Iterative cycles ensure the continuous improvement. The winners are the iterations may not be frequent enough if feedback loops are delayed, and changes could lack of the strategic alignment if the feedback is overly specific. Agile UX integrations is our alternative technique. It ongoing feedback within the development cycle, allowing the designs to evolve dynamically alongside changing user needs, but it requires a tight collaboration between the designers and also the developers, which may be challenging in the silo teams. The UX technique applied in the case study effectively for achieving a user-centric design by alternative methods such as ethnographic studies, affinity diagramming, result of ONG prototyping, and also the AMD testing could provide deeper insights or more measurable results in the specific context. Ultimately, the choice of the US technicals depends on the project scope, timeline, and also resource. Combining multiple methods tailored to the design problems can ensure a more comprehensive and effective approach to a user-centric solution.